Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to our family. My name is Shadhi and I'm a makeup content creator. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a particular oil. This is by Plum and this is Grape Seabuckthron Glow Restore Facial Oil. You all may know that Plum is an Indian skincare and cosmetic brand which is totally vegan and cruelty free. And I heard a lot of good things about this brand, so I picked this oil for me. And today I'm going to be giving a full review about this product. So firstly, I'm going to be saying you that what this product is all about, and then I'm going to share how it is working out on my skin or not. Face oils are very much useful for our skin because it penetrates into deepest layer of our skin and works. They don't work superficially, actually they are working on the deepest layer of our skin. So I'm going to be talking about this particular oil, which is a mixture of 10 super oil which are very much good for our skin. So when you open it, you get a description paper like this. So when you open it, you will get the oil details, which is the key ingredient of this particular oil. So the first oil is sweet almond oil, which is a vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acid, which hydrates and protects our skin. It has a rose hip oil, which is antioxidant, that means it will slow down your aging. It has argan oil, which is very much usable to ease down the inflammation from our skin. By the name of this product, you also get to know that there is a grape seed oil, which is a linoleic acid and which is helpful to reduce the clogged pores. It has apricot seed oil also, which is vitamin A and which lubricates and heals our skin. Another oil is olive oil. So everyone knows that olive oil repairs the damaged skin. So yes, olive oil is also included in this oil. It has sunflower seed oil and jojoba oil, which is vitamins and minerals. It will heal and nourish our skin. And it also has pomegranate seed extract, which is omega-5 fatty acid, which counters free radical damage. And again, you get to know by the name that there has to be seabuckthron oil, which is vitamin C. And vitamin C is very much needed for our skin. So the product is coming in this cardboard package. The brand name is written over here, and here it is mentioned that this is 100% vegan and cruelty free, and here it is written everything about this product. So now I'm going to show you how I use this oil. So I use this oil twice every day. Firstly, after taking shower and cleaning up my face, I directly use this oil. This oil has a dropper like this. I use 5 drops on my whole face and neck as well, and then I followed with the moisturizing part. I follow this routine before my makeup also. Secondly, I have added this oil on my night skincare routine. After cleaning and toning, I take 2 drops of this oil on my plump and I just rub it like this, and I press the oil all over my face just like this. And I want my skin to soak that oil or drink that oil very much, so I leave it for a couple of minutes and then I followed with the moisturizing thing. And lastly, I take 1 drop on my ring finger and I just rub it like this, and I applied it on my under eye area like this way to get the even tone and rejuvenate the dullness of my under eye area. That's how I use this oil in my regular life. I'm using this oil for more than 1 month. So yes, I can say now that the claims are totally true. From last 4 to 5 months, I'm not going for facial and all that. So I'm still not going for facial and all that. So I'm just using this oil, and this oil is really brings back the glow on my face, and my face is looking more nourished and more hydrated and more healthy. And this product has also essential fatty acid, vitamin E, vitamin C and carotenoids, and lots of good natural things, which is really good. And one more thing I want to say, this product has a very soft and very refreshing kind of a smell, which is really good. But there is no perfume in it because this is not even written anywhere. And I totally believe that there is no perfume because this oil is a mixture of 10 awesome oils. So the smell must be the concoction of the mixture of this oils. And this oil is very good for normal skin, dry skin and extreme dry skin. I'm a dry skin person and I'm loving this product right now. This is my everyday go-to product, so I would love to recommend this product. So that's the end of this video. I hope this video will help you out, guys. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do it and hit the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload. And that's all for today. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.